Well, there's some people that want to take a French door and take out the glass and the glass dividers, put a doggy door in there. And but I'm going to show you a way to do it to where you can keep the pieces, and that way when you get ready to sell the house or whatever, you can put the pieces back. I mean, if you work at it real hard, you can get it to look perfect, but it's taking it out is where the big problem is. So the first thing you want to do is you want to figure out which side the glass stops come out. And the way you can tell that, it's a real thin putty knife, and it should drive up under there real easy. And this side's not doing it. So this is supposedly when they hang a door, they put the glass stops on the outside. Anyway, so let me turn it around. Now we do the outside of the door. Yeah, this one's going under there, so this is the side that you want to take the glass stops off of. Now we're going to take them off on the bottom down here. Get the routing done so you can see where the first cut is, and you want to try to take the biggest ones off first, because there's less chance of them breaking than trying to get the top or bottom off. Try to start in the middle. And just go slow. Okay, you can see they didn't put the nails close to the ends. Sometimes they do it. If they do, that's where it's going to break. But anyway, we got it out. 2 nails. Staples are still in here, so you have to be careful about that. And then you have to get the one on either side. Take your pick on which one you want the doggy door on. Okay, remember you still got staples in here, so you have to be careful when you try to remove this glass. It's tempered, so it'll shatter into a million pieces. Now if you've got a 5-in-1 tool, that's what they're called at the paint store. I mean, this one's really pretty strong. It's got a sharp edge to where you can get under stuff. It's for scraping, some other stuff, and prying. Getting this glass out, this glass is really tough until you hit the edge of it. And if you hit the edge of it and crack it, it's going to shatter. A pair of wire cutters is good for pulling out staples and nails. Well, as always, I was trying to take the wrong piece out. It's this one we want to take out. Sometimes you need a little help with somebody on the inside to catch the glass. Okay. Okay, we've got this one. Yep. Well, I'm glad it broke so you can see what happens. See, it's loose now. So you just barely, just carefully take it out the best you can. And they usually have they sometimes have a nail down at the bottom. So just do the best you can of taking it out and try to save it. Okay, work this out. Save this piece, because what you will do, you will put it back in with some two stops. If these didn't come out right, leave all these stops. Don't take them out on the inside. This one came out in one piece. So I've given you both options of how to get these out. Now we've got to get this one out. This is where you need a block of wood. Got to take these three pieces out. Now this is what happens when you try to take the little one out first. It breaks, and I mean it's salvageable in a way, but not really. Okay. Okay, now we've got the whole piece out. Now you can take out, if you need to take both of them out or just one of them out, you want to do the exact same thing. Take it out, take your stops out. Get your plywood to fit first. Now, whether you're doing a small piece or you're coming all the way up to here, that's fine, doesn't matter. Make you one full piece. Then get your doggy door and put it in where you want it. Because what you're going to do when you get through with this, you're going to take it out. And put all your other, whoops, wrong way. Put all your, whoops, get it right in a minute. And then put all your other pieces back in. And that's really about it. You've pretty much got it settled about how you want your doggy door to be in a French door. Okay, and then by golly, there you go.